So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand policies. And now we're going to expand Microsoft. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. You want to select Windows Defender. And now this should appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Now once you're in this folder, you should now be seeing Disable Anti-Spyware. You want to delete this. So just click on it and then click on delete. And then click on yes. You want to delete Disable Anti-Spyware from this folder. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in virus and threat protection. Click on it. And now once you're on this, it might be saying something like threat service has stopped, restart it now. You just want to click on restart and this should now fix your problem. And you can run a scan if you want to, and the problem should be fixed.